Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
रुको रुको, ऐसे नहीं, शुरुआत से बताता हूँ. Another Sunday, another bike ride. Today we are going to Tamini Ghat, which is 70 kilometers from Hinjewadi. The name of the waterfall is the Milky Bar waterfall. So the roads are amazing here. So you can, the best time to visit is during the monsoon. So, oh my God, I see. Let's go. Let's see. There is just one car, I guess. Let's go. Oh no, there is another one. And there is another one, and there is a bus. So I think we need to wait here till the bus crosses. Hey, scooter, come back. चलो चलो आगे 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 आगे. There is space. Come, चलो चलो चलो. Let's stand behind this rickshaw and let the bus pass. Then let's go. Hey. Janamar. I think I have to go under this now. Oh my God. Finally. Great escape. Chalo, let's go. The roads are amazing here and weather is next to amazing. Just love riding through this Tamini Ghat. I've been here a lot of times and it amazes me every single time. And I think in the morning there was a bit rain, so the roads are quite wet. So let's go. And I'm feeling the chills. Oh my God. Chalo. We are almost near the location. I think another 3-4 kilometers and I'll be there in the destination. And just look at it, man. Just cruising through the kind of a forest. I'm feeling the fog. Yes, the fog is here. Just incredible, man. And we have finally reached the destination. So this is the place we have to stop and take a diversion. The name of the place is, I'll show you now. Yes, Dongrawadi. So take a diversion and there is a small road which goes down here. Take that route and you will reach the starting point of the Milky Bar waterfall. This is where you have to get your permits. It is just 70 rupees. And yeah, park your vehicle here and start the trek. Chalo, see you in the trek. You see the red check post. So there you have to do a permit. Then you have to park your vehicle here. Then you have to start. So they said it is 5 kilometers from here. And they didn't allow us to keep the helmet as well. So you have to carry everything. So be mindful about carrying things. Make sure that you carry less items. 5 kilometers, I don't know how the trek is, but the weather is really beautiful. Let me show you that. Full fog. It's around 8 o'clock here. I don't know the route. I've not been here. It is just randomly I have to go searching for the place. I'm not able to see the road as well. Let's see, hope I'll find someone on the way. Guys, look at this. I don't know how the road is, but feels like it'll rain. Look at this. Amazing, and I'm not able to see another 20 meters from here. Visibility is gone for a toss. I was doing a recording here. I had kept my DJI on my phone and I mounted it and I was recording. And suddenly police came across and asked me, when did you come? I come. How many people? Said one. Alone I had come. So okay. Oh, you're recording. Oh, continue. You're so happy. That is what. Don't do wrong things here. That is what. They trust you with so many things. So don't do wrong things by coming here. Respect the nature and enjoy. That's it, man. Another Sunday, another ride. Chalo. So yeah, road seems pretty straightforward from here, but I'd seen a video where you have to climb through few rocks, but as of now it is straight. It has started raining, man. Oh my god, man. So beautiful, man. Look at it. Oh my god, man. I'm so happy. It is raining. He's the one who's talking. Seriously, man. It was a sudden plan actually. One of my CDO, Sharan, so asked me for look into places. He wanted to go somewhere out in Pune. So I was suggesting him places, and suddenly I was ill for a while. So I was ill for 3-4 days. So I thought I'll rest this Sunday. I did some videos and so that I can upload in YouTube. Currently I have an account in YouTube but not posted anything great there. So I thought I'll edit this Sunday properly. But I came across this video. I had saved this video and it was very nearby, and Sharan also asked me something which is nearby and wanted a waterfall as well. So I was looking for one and I searched. I had saved this, and this was a unique waterfall and it is nearby, so I thought why not. So yeah, I think you can get your vehicle till here. I had parked my vehicle almost a kilometer back, so you can see here you can park your vehicle here itself till, I think this is the limit. I don't know which way. I think this is the way. Seriously, I don't know the way. No guidelines, nothing, just trusting the process. There is some footsteps kind of a thing. Don't know, but yeah, but it is very difficult to walk with all this. I had bought an extra pair of clothes, raincoat, everything, so it becomes heavy. And helmet is also, you have to carry the helmet, so they don't allow you to keep the helmet there. So I think I'm in the right path. So you can hear the voices. So beautiful. Let me rotate it. Very funny route. I have no not charge my GoPro as well, and very bad man. Seriously. I can hear the waterfall. If you are coming in rainy season, please wear proper trekking shoes. It is very slippery here, so otherwise it will be very difficult to trek down. So be careful, and you will have so many things in your hand. So please get a proper trekking shoes which has a proper grip. And one important thing while trekking is there is nothing to hurry. There is nothing to hurry. So aram se you can go. So don't rush. There is the world is yours. Really, you need to be very careful. I always have this trekking shoes with me, so I use it as my riding shoes. So kind of help me both, because all my riding will involve trekking. Not that I directly reach the destination. It requires some amount of off-road walking. So, and usually we drive and ride during monsoon only. So it is. Let me showcase the only 27% charge in my GoPro, so not much can be taken, so I'm cutting much of it here, even with this jacket on, bag. So it's somewhere, I don't know which, right, left, straight. See that? I can hear a voice from that end. I think that is the end. You can see people there. I think that is the place, I guess. Let's go. So it's good to with someone here, because there is no one to guide me here. So, oh my god, it's a steep place. Very slippery, so be careful. Oh my god, this is insane, man. This is insane. This is seriously insane. Look at this narrow passage. I think we have almost reached the destination, I guess. The route of this narrow. We are flying from that. This is how it is going forward. Be careful. Only 15% charge and 15 minutes left. So I have to record very essential only. So there is several tunnel passages like this. Like narrow passages, you can see. Beautiful. Look at me, totally exhausted. I didn't have my breakfast. Carrying this helmet here, bag, We are not, as I told you, we had to carry this, we can't keep it anywhere. Let's go. I'm not tired, but because of the jacket, too much heat. That's what. So, go. I think at least we have covered 2 kilometers. So, yeah, let's go. अरे यार आराम से भाई पीछे मत देखो. इट्स ओके. अच्छा चलो. So I think we are in the midway through. So you can see. This is the way, but not very sure it was. Go wide. Oh my god. Wait for the waterfall. Not the actual waterfall. But if you are coming here, make sure you follow this red tubes. That will guide you to the location. So, yeah. They put the red markers here. Everybody is put. So please follow that. No one is there to guide you. You have to find your own path. Very difficult. But yeah. Make sure you're going with good sort of number of people so that even if you're lost, go to fast. So yeah. Go through the I think we've almost reached the destination. Let's get a word for rolling in 3, 2, 1. I would say it is very crowded here, so suggest you not to come on the weekends. So try coming on weekdays. The route is a bit difficult, but the red ribbons is the point of navigation for you.